Hey everyone, this is Caroline Johnson. I am just going to quickly show you around Clever. One thing that I wanted to show is that you can add the Clever button to your Google Chrome if you have that, if you use that. So I'm going to click my button here. And it opens up to your home page. You've got your Clever Academy here, which is super helpful to walk through these. I started back at lesson 1 to show you guys more so what it's going to look like right when you open it from the beginning. So this takes about less than 10 minutes to go through the lessons, and it will help you get familiar with the Clever dashboard. So I have BrainPop as one of my favorites. I haven't added too many other ones yet since I haven't had too much of an opportunity to use this with my classes. So the first thing, this is going to be your screen that you open to. You can check out your classes here. And like I showed in the PowerPoint, if you've already looked through that, you will see here that all of your classes that you are listed as a teacher for the fall semester and for the spring semester will show up here. So follow those steps that I showed you in the PowerPoint to change the names of these classes. Clever works with Infinite Campus. So pull up your Infinite Campus rosters and compare those names. So like for example here, I'll click on here. I see all of the students that are here in this class. So once I've compared it to my spring Infinite Campus roster and I know that I'm looking at my current roster here, you can change the name here to, let's see, I've hit my character limit. So let me delete some of these. So I can change this to spring 9th grade lit or whatever you want to change yours to so that you know you're looking at the correct class. And then I just press enter and my nickname has been changed there. Okay. So again, all of your classes that you're listed as a teacher in will show up here. So you may want to change the nicknames for all of them, change them to fall or spring, or, maybe if you're listed as a teacher for another teacher's class, you could put that teacher's name in the class name so that you know which ones you're looking at. Okay? And pressing log class out does not make the class go away, so you will just need to change the nicknames of the classes. So then you can go over here to my page, and this is actually the landing page that your students will be able to see. So I added News ELA to my resource class. I'll also add, my class resource page, not my resource class. I'll also add BrainPop here. You can change the name of the class here to anything you want it to be. This will be what the students see. You could add a description. Make sure that you have it clicked to be visible to students. And you see here you can add resources for activities that you want them to do. You could add links if you make like a screencast like this. You could add that as well. So you can add lots of resources here to this resource page. If you go over here to library, this is where you can find those different resources that you could add to your resource page. So I'm going to click here on English. I already added News ELA, but let's just add another one for fun. What do I want to add here? Let's add vocabulary. Okay, so you would add this to your resource page and then it will show up. You can also do it from here where you can add things here and they'll show up. So you can search for lots of different things. USA Test Prep isn't on here, but it may be in the future. I'm not sure about that. But if there is a website that you use often, you could search for it there and you can add it to your page. So this is the page you can make personalized for your students. Let's see. That is kind of the lowdown on everything. So from here you can click on BrainPop. The really cool thing about Clever is that it syncs with Infinite Campus, like I said previously. So when you log into BrainPop and you go to My Classes, your rosters will all be right here. Okay, so you can click on a class. This is where you can assign it. This is where information will show up, and I haven't assigned anything in this class yet, but if you watch the BrainPop 101 video, you'll see that a lot of statistics will show up here once we actually start assigning things. So no more making your whole roster like in USA Test Prep. It'll all be here for you. And Clever does actually sync with Infinite Campus about every 4 hours. So when a student withdraws or if you get a new student, they should also show up in your class list without you having to manually do that. So this is just a really brief intro video to Clever. I can't wait to find out some more information about it, some more ways we can use it, and actually get in there and start using it with our classes. So let me know if you have any questions or need any extra help, and I will do my best to help you.